Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll walk you through the simple process of creating folders in Telegram's desktop app using the latest update. Organizing your chats has never been easier, and by the end of this guide, you'll save time navigating through conversations. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a vertical menu with icons for your chats, groups, and settings. At the top of this menu, click the Edit icon. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked together. This opens a drop-down with options to customize your chat list. From here, select Create a new folder. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to name your folder. Choose something clear and descriptive, like work projects or personal chats, to make it easy to identify later. Now click the Add Chats button. This lets you pick specific conversations, groups, or channels to include in the folder. Scroll through your list and check the boxes next to the ones you want to organize together. Once you've made your selections, click Save at the bottom of the window. This locks in your choices. Finally, hit Create to complete the process. Your new folder will instantly appear in the left-hand menu, neatly grouping the chats you selected. To access them, simply click the folder's name. The latest update also lets you edit or remove folders anytime. Just click the Edit icon again, and you'll see options to rename, add more chats, or delete folders you no longer need. This flexibility ensures your chat list stays streamlined as your needs change. And that's it. In under a minute, you've transformed your Telegram experience. No more scrolling through endless messages. Just tidy, purpose-built folders at your fingertips. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions or want to share how you're using folders to stay organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.